I can say that Sec Vince has had these documents at least as long as I had them, because when they were given to me, he was also on the phone and saw them after that, and he cannot say na hindi niya nakita. I also uploaded them on Facebook, and I also uploaded on Facebook yesterday my email to him on October 1, emailing him a copy of the document that I uploaded on Facebook. Kaya kahit sana kumpirmahin niya ang authenticity ng document na pinadala ko, yun po ay magiging malaking step in transparency, kasi doon po nakalagay yung summary ng magkano ang allocable ng bawat district representative sa Pilipinas. Para malinaw lang po, ma'am, yung sinasabi kasi ni Sec Claire, baka akala ng iba, hindi totoo yung document. Ang sinasabi, hindi ito proven until Sec Vince will authenticate. At sinasabi ni Sec Vince, hindi niya nakikita. Pero ang sinasabi ko po, nakita na niya noon pa, in-email ko pa, at ngayon makikita naman niya, bakit hindi pa niya in-authenticate. I have had many conversations with Sec Vince on September 4, when he told Yusek Cabral on the phone to give the files to me. After that, when he asked that I not release the files to the public because he will release the files to the public. And in October, in November, many times po nag-uusap kami ni Sec Vince at ang kanyang team. Yung pinost ko lang po sa Facebook ang email documentation ng konteksto po ang marami naming ibang mga pag-uusap kahit sa telepono. Gusto niyang buksan dahil gusto niyang sabihin na hindi niya alam kung ano nga talaga yung allocable ng bawat kongresista. Pero parang it is funny, I think, to the public that the DPWH cannot confirm how much is the allocable budget out of a 401 billion pesos of allocable budgets of congressmen, because this is taxpayers' money, and I think we deserve to know, totoo ba na may mga congressman ng allocable ay 3, 4, 5 bilyong piso kada taon? Kung hindi po tama yung ibinigay sa aking dokumento nung September 4 na galing sa kanila, baka pwede nilang isagot ano ba yung tama. Pero may mga nagsasabi kasi sa social media, yung pangalan na ito hindi tama and so and so. I swear this document came from DPWH. Kaya dapat si DPWH po ang sasagot kung hindi totoo ang dokumentong in-upload ko na galing sa kanila. Ano yung totoong allocable budget? Wala namang maniniwala kung sasabihin nila walang allocable budget ng mga congressman, di ba?
Oo.